What was the Second Amendment's original intent? Imagine a time when the newly formed United States was still finding its footing, a nation grappling with the balance of power between the federal government and the states. In this context, the Second Amendment was introduced as part of the Bill of Rights in 1791. But what was the original intent behind this amendment? To understand the Second Amendment, we must look back at the historical backdrop of the late 18th century. The framers of the Constitution were influenced by their experiences with British rule, where the monarchy maintained a standing army and disarmed colonial militias. This led to a strong desire among the founders to ensure that citizens could defend themselves and their rights. The text of the Second Amendment reads, "A well-regulated militia, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." This wording reflects a dual purpose. On one hand, it emphasizes the importance of a well-regulated militia for the security of the state. On the other hand, it affirms the right of individuals to possess weapons. The framers believed that a militia composed of ordinary citizens was essential for the defense of the nation. They viewed this as a safeguard against tyranny, ensuring that the government could not easily oppress its citizens. The right to bear arms was seen as a means for individuals to protect themselves and their communities. Over the years, interpretations of the Second Amendment have evolved, leading to various debates about its meaning and scope. Some argue that it guarantees an individual's right to own firearms, while others contend that it is tied specifically to militia service. Understanding the original intent of the Second Amendment requires examining the historical context and the values held by the framers. It reflects their commitment to the principles of self-defense and the belief in the necessity of a citizen militia for the protection of liberty. As discussions about gun rights and regulations continue, the original intent remains a significant point of reference in the ongoing conversation about the Second Amendment.